When was the last time you wrote a programming code without using any external library or framework? In this example, our project needs two frameworks, Node.js and MySQL. But what if it needs more, like a lot more? In this case, Docker is the solution. Docker website provides many environments ready for your project. You're also able to make your own custom environment on Docker. You only have to create a file with the name Dockerfile and fill it with the special Docker commands, which has the meaning of install Node.js, install MySQL, and copy my own code to the environment, and so on. Then you move your project to the same folder of the Docker file and build an image with the first command and run it using the second command. But wait, if you're able to write your project dependencies in the Docker file, it means you can install it without using Docker, right? The benefit of Docker is that by just sending the Docker file and your project to your colleague at work as example, he or she will be able to run it with only two commands. That's right, the already mentioned build and run commands. I will be talking more about Docker in the next few days, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons and make sure the bell is enabled.